right now it's very bittersweet. We're leaving Zermatt. It should be happy because we're going to a new place, but we have a Category 4 hurricane hitting home. Okay, the hurricane has passed. Finally it's over and we can finally live our lives in peace. We canceled our entire day yesterday pretty much and stayed right here. Stayed right here and watched the hurricane. Matt, give us some updates.
You know, all of our family and friends in Florida, they're all safe, so now we can kind of resume our vacation. We're hiking right up to the Schildsword, and we're hiking right back down. Gonna be a good day.
Let's get some breakfast.
Because they're refilling it. Yeah. It's quite an inconvenience to me.
What are we doing, Samuel?
Yeah, it is an inconvenience. Because I walked up there to get honey, and now they took it away because of you. This guy, he thinks he's all that. Walking around asking, can I have more jelly? And I go up there to get honey, which is on the same card as the jelly, and they've taken it away to refill his jelly.
So now what do you have? All you have is honey.
I have a naked croissant. I don't have no honey. They took it away.
They don't even have honey.
No, because he had asked for refill.
Oh my god.
So here I am, sixth croissant, and this one has nothing on it. There he is. Here's the
Hey,
Oh, don't hate the camera.
apricot.
Oh my gosh. I don't have a fork, and we've lost Josh. So I'm just gonna commandeer his. Oh, baby.
We're headed back down to the hotel room. It's been this pretty dark and scary.
I think I'm in condition. I keep thinking it's a cruise ship, so everything's going.
Samuel's been swaying the entire time because he thinks he's on a cruise ship. Oh my. And then we got out here in our hotel room. Alright, so we've got a bit of a rainy day here in Murin. So we're gonna go visit some waterfalls. First we're headed to Grimmelwald, and then to Stetchelberg, and then we're taking a bus over to another town that I can't pronounce. So it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully we stay dry and see some cool sights. That thing almost shut on me.
It what?
Almost shut on me. That little.
Oh, cut you right in half.
Yeah, what a slice of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a brace. Made it on the bus.
Oh, in a big and we are now at the falls. We've just gone on this little cave lift through the cave on a lift. Now we're going to the top of Fall 6, which seems to be our limit. Weather, 3 out of 10, but maybe that adds 2. We're soaking wet. It's kind of like we're in the falls without being in the falls. So
yep.
It's a blessing, really.
I hear it. You guys hear it?
Yeah, I think I do. I can't see it.
I see it. You see it down there?
Whoa, I see it.
Hey Samuel, try not to fall down the falls.
Fall down the falls.
Oh, which one is that?
This is 5.5.
Wow.
5.5. No, this is fall 5.5.
Out of 20?
No, that's not the rating. This is just the number 1.
Oh, he's saying that's falls number 5.
Yeah.
We are currently getting blocked. We can't go any further. For some reason, all we can do is go into fall number 6. Fall number 6 is pretty nice. Nitro brew, full effect. Hiking up the stairs. Oh my gosh, I can barely keep up with them. Oh my word. They're going Mach 20.
Low hanger, low hanger. Low hanger, low hanger.
As you can see, back in the day,
They would use these little caves to carry their mining tools, little guys. They would go down here so they didn't have to climb up the side of the mountain.
Headed down the fall number 5. It sounded like it's a pretty good one. And hopefully we see some water falling.
To the left, to the left.
A little spooky. Careful, careful. A little slippery. Oh! Good. Be careful, they're a little slippery here.
It's okay, it's okay. Come on, sir. We're almost across the street.
Coming across an ancient gate here. We're wondering if we might be able to enter through it. No. Definitely blocked off. Yeah, I tried knocking. Ooh.